Hi guys, this is George and today I'm gonna show you how to replace the goddamn alternator on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2004 2.7 CRD diesel. So it's I think, at least in my opinion, I think this is the easiest way to replace the alternator. So let's begin. It's very, well, not very, but pretty easy. It shouldn't take more than, I don't know, 40 minutes. So, first of all, you need to release the engine protection, just like that. Then you'll have, well, you can see, as you can see, I have already undone everything here, but I'll explain you very fast. Um, First of all, you need to release the air filter hose, just like that. Okay, put it away like this, and then you need to undo the hoses or the pipes from the secondary pump water, like this. Okay, you put these away, more or less. Okay, you have the base for the cable support. It goes out. Then you'll have a screw here, this one, which goes under there. Okay, like that. And another one, it goes on this support, which you will see right now. So it has only two screws, E10s. Okay, you unscrew those, and then the water pump will be released. Be very careful, pay attention with the electrical connection here. Okay, you need to unplug it, and then you just pull out the secondary water pump. So that's the first piece you have to take off. And then, as you can already see, there's the alternator. This is the underneath support for the secondary pump water. Okay, so it has two screws, which goes, let me put some light here so you can see it better. Just a minute. Okay, here we go. So I was telling, this right here is the base of the water pump, or the piece it goes underneath. Okay, so you have a couple of screws. This is the alternator, this whole thing, as you can see it. Okay, and it goes with those two screws, one there and another one there. So it goes something like this. I really think you can't see shit here, but I can bet you make yourself an idea about the thing. Let me put the light here. Maybe you can see it better. Yeah. So it goes just like that. Okay. So take off the screws. This thing will go out all together with this. I don't know how it's called. I don't know, this wheel or whatever. Okay, these are the screws. Again, E screws. I think these ones are let me check it. Oh yeah, so these are E8. E10. Okay, there you go. You take this shit off too, and then you'll have to go underneath the car. Oh, God damn, this is messy. And you will see there another couple of screws. Okay, another E8, so they will be, when you go underneath, they'll be just like that. Okay, so you have the heads right there. There you go, you can see it. Undo the screws. Well, you can use couple of 10 number 10 wrenches. So you undo the screws, and then you finally have your alternator released. I've used I'll show you right now. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I've used a number 10 regularly tube for the small one. Okay, and then because you have no more room for the cricket wrench, you can use one of these, or more simple, this one, a 10. Once you've done that, it's very, very simple. Your alternator is loose. You pull it out. You have to, unplug the electrical connection here, and of course undo this power supply cable, which is maintained with a nut, and that's it. No more than 40 minutes should take you. Okay, well, I really hope this video will help you, because I went crazy looking for something similar and I haven't found anything. So yeah, go ahead, take that bitch off, release it, replace it, or fix it. If you want to do what I do, I'll have to undo everything, dismount everything, replace all the electrical pieces here. I don't know, maybe the coils, I don't know, I'll have to see. But there you go, the simplest way to replace your alternator on your Jeep Grand Cherokee 2004 2.7 CRD. Good luck, and thanks for watching.